Welcome back to another nctrailers.com product review. Today we will be installing the straight coupler repair kit. This coupler repair kit has everything you need, including a new handle and latch, which is most commonly the part that fails and keeps from catching the ball. First, I will take apart this kit to show you all the pieces that you will use. Now I will demonstrate how to replace the latch. First, you will need to take off the nut at the bottom. You will need a 19mm or 3/4 inch socket to be able to take the nut off. Be sure you also push the bottom part down, that way you can loosen the nut. Next, you will want to take everything off the bottom. You can pull up the top and everything should fall out. Now, to install the latch, just do everything we just did in reverse. Insert the latch into the housing of the coupler and just reassemble everything under. Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more about this part or purchase this part for yourself, you can visit our website, which will be placed in the description below. If you like this video and want to see more from our company, please like, share, and subscribe for all future videos. Thanks for watching.